Check out this great home at a great price that is ready to move in. Centrally located in Tavares, Seaplane City, the hub of Lake County and close to everything. Roof is less than 2 years old and HVAC is less than a year old. Great for first-time homebuyer or retiree. Lawn maintenance is included in the HOA fee, and there is also a community pool and tennis courts. This 3-bedroom home even has a screened-in patio on the rear of the home, just outside of the 3rd-bedroom office for sitting out and enjoying a nice cup of coffee or a barbecue. Make your appointment today to see this well-maintained property before someone else buys it.